The topic is finding limits of exponential functions. Alright, so what do we know? First we need some trig review. So this is the graph of y equal tangent of x, right? There's vertical asymptote at x equal pi over 2, right? And x equal negative pi over 2 and so on. Alright, so let's look at this definition. A limit of tangent of x as x approach pi over 2 from the right side. This is, see, pi over 2, it's right here from the right side. See, it's going to negative infinity. That's why we had negative infinity. But then from the left side, see, from the left side, it's positive, the y goes to positive infinity. That's why we have positive infinity. Now what about as x approach 0, limit of tangent of x is just 0. That's why we have a 0 here. We're going to need all these three limits. So let's evaluate this limit. So limit, let's do this example. Limit of e to the tangent of x as x approach pi over 2 from the right side. I'm going to call this limit of e to the u as u approach what? So in other words, I'm letting u equal tangent of x. But remember, as x approach pi over 2, I know that the tangent of x approach 0 right there. In other words, I'm looking at this limit, 0. So the u approach, u is tangent of x approach 0. But we know that e to the 0, you can even just plug it in, e to the 0 is just 1. And that's it for this example. It's that pretty easy.